The last thing we need to do is save the file. To do that, we'll go to the File menu and click Save. Because it's a brand new file, though, it doesn't immediately save it. Instead, it takes us to the Save As window. Here we need to select a location and give the file a name. Notice recently used locations are listed on the right in my case. Yours might be a little bit rearranged depending on what version you have. But if I didn't want one of those, I could click maybe Browse to go looking somewhere on my employer's network and save it there, because if I'm at work, that's actually the best place to save my files. At home as well, if I don't want to save it in my Documents folder, I could browse to some other folder I've created. I could save it to OneDrive. OneDrive is actually on the cloud, meaning it's hosted somewhere on Microsoft servers. And if I'm okay with saving my files there, I could put them there. A lot of times, though, if you're at work, your company won't want to save your files there. It might be a little too confidential to put out on the cloud. And so they will want you to click Browse and go find your drive K or J or whatever your company's network drive is and put your files there. In this case, I am going to use one of my recently used locations. So I'm going to click PC Training and give my file a name. And click Save. Since I'm all done, I would close out of my file. So I might go to the File menu and click Close, but I'm going to click the back button to get out of my File menu, because I could also go to the upper right corner and click the X there to get out of my file. Either one's fine, it just depends on what you want to do. So we've done it. We've created a file, we've entered data, we've done some simple formatting, we've entered 3 formulas, we finished up by saving the file, and we talked about how to close it. Of course, there's a lot more you'll want to learn about Excel. For example, you'll want to learn a lot more about formulas. There's plenty to learn there. You'll want to learn how to present your data with charts or in reports called pivot tables. You want to see how to sort and filter your information and all kinds of neat stuff. But honestly, what we've done so far is what you'll do maybe 80–90% of the time on a daily basis in Excel. You'll enter data, you'll format the data, you'll enter some simple formulas, and you'll save your changes. So until next time, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you come back for more.